things have just built up, and good morning everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. So it has been quite a while since I have vlogged. I did do a vlog like a month ago, but most of the footage that I was trying to edit for some reason wasn't like showing up on my computer as editable footage. That was supposed to go up like last Wednesday, but I was never able to edit most of the footage, so couldn't use it. Anyways, so I got dressed and I am about to clean the top of my dresser. As you can see, it's quite a mess. Things have just built up, and yeah, so I'm going to clean it and then finish getting ready for the day. Okay, this is the finished look. You can actually see my dresser top again. And yes, there is purple nail polish paint on it. I don't know if I can get that off. And there's also this kind of like purplish reddish stain, but for the most part, it's very clean. Yay! So if you've been following me on Instagram, which, by the way, if you're not, I will have my username on the screen here and also in the description box below. But if you've been following me on Instagram, then you would know that I posted a story last evening about me uploading my video, which isn't going to come out until tomorrow at 11:30. It's been taking quite a while. I guess probably part of that is because it maybe got a little interrupted during the night since my computer was asleep. But yeah, it says there's an hour and 4 minutes left, but shall see. I don't know, it might take less since it's really close. And now it's time to finally set it to premiere tomorrow. Good gracious.
Oh my gosh, Claims Master.
Thanks for the feedback.
No problem.
Here we go. Ta-da! Well, there's that. Would you like to tell the viewers what you're doing?
Doing what you should be doing.
Hello everyone. So it is now the next day. It is Saturday, August 17th, which is my friend Brooklyn's 18th birthday. So go over to her channel and wish her a happy birthday for me. She is one of my best friends, my sister, and I love her so much. Anyways, so I was out with my family during the premiere of my video, so I wasn't at home to vlog the experience, but it really wasn't that big of a thing, honestly. It was really just me and my mom and like one other person that was watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the videos that I am putting out for you guys, because if you want to see something different, please let me know and I can make that happen. I want to make videos that you guys want to see. And if you're not interested in seeing the videos that I am spending time and putting out for you guys, then I shouldn't be putting out those videos. So, no tea, no shade, just if you're not liking the videos I'm putting out for you guys, then please let me know and tell me what videos you would like to see, and I can make those videos happen for you. But yeah, we are now back home, obviously, and I'm about to have lunch and then head over to Brooklyn's party. I'm not going to vlog that just because I'm just not. I don't know. I didn't ask permission and there'll be other people there. I just wanted to keep it off the internet, I guess. But yeah, maybe I will see you when I come back. I don't know. I'm not going to be back until like 9 o'clock this evening. So if I don't catch up with you guys today, then I will do so on Monday.